This video is part of a series that provides you with design tips for creating professional-looking forms with iForms Designer. In this video, you will learn how to add and format fields of extracted data. The instructions in this video assume that you've already set up iForms, created a new iForms Designer template, and extracted sample fields into the new template. To learn how to extract the sample fields, watch the videos on creating templates. To begin, drag the fields to where you want them to display on the template. In this example, I'll add the shipping and billing addresses. You can align fields by dragging up and down, and you can see how the iForms Designer snaps to alignment. Hold the Shift key to select more than one field at a time. With both fields selected, you can move them simultaneously. If the fields are not large enough to display all the text, enlarge them. Preview to make sure the fields are large enough. Manually sizing works for fields like addresses, where the size of the field will be the same for all input data. However, these three fields contain all the line item data. Some invoices have more entries and will need longer columns. So instead of making the fields longer, you can make the fields dynamically stretch with the amount of data in them. To do that, right-click one of the fields, making sure all the fields you want to stretch are highlighted. Choose Properties. Click the Text Field tab, then enable Stretch with Overflow. Now when you preview the template, all the data displays. When you're designing with line items, it's important to make sure that all the data lines up correctly. When the data isn't lining up, it's often because some text is wrapping when it shouldn't be, as in this example. To fix wrapping text, widen the field. You can also do some nice formatting of your form by aligning the columns. When you preview, you can see that the text wrapping is fixed and the numbers are nicely formatted to be justified right. And remember that any fonts you use in the template also have to be installed on the iForms server to be used during merges. Now you can use your knowledge of fields to design your own forms.